Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on LENOVO Tab M11. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click open, then click agree and continue. Now click on the cross icon right here and then click on don't allow, and now click on consent. Now click on this carrot icon and then click on OK. Now click on the cross again, and as you can see I'm connected now to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.